Hello guys, today I shall be teaching you how to learn the waveboard in 5 minutes. Get this straight, we can't learn it in 5 minutes, but in this video I can teach you the steps required to do so in 5 minutes. By practice, you can use the waveboard properly. So let's get started. So the first step, which is the most important one, you need a waveboard. Okay, jokes aside. Step 1 is grip. Make sure you have a proper grip. The balls of your feet and the heels should be on the waveboard. I'll remove my shoe wear to demonstrate this. Step 2 is balance. Try to get yourself to reach from this part to that part. This will take some time, so do not worry if you fall at this during first tries.
Okie dokie.
Once you are able to do this, try going longer distances by balancing without support. After that, you should learn the wave. Wave will help you get speed so you don't need to push yourself every time. To wave, try to move your legs left and right as demonstrated. This is the most tricky part because balancing and waving at the same time is difficult for beginners. But it will be easy after practice and you shall just get the hang of it. After this, you should learn to turn.
Nice rhymes, man.
This is kind of easy. To do this, just lean towards the direction you want to turn towards. Also, for smaller turns, bend your waveboard like this. And also bend your legs to get stability. Next is speed. You're almost there. To get speed, you simply just have to wave your legs faster. Now time for some tips. Many times we are able to balance but not wave. So ask a friend to push you while you are balancing and slowly you should be able to move smoothly. To understand the wave better, wave your legs at the same place to understand the wave concept, like this. Bend your leg for sharp turns. This is an example of a sharp turn. When you do not bend them, you might fall. Example. Also, if you subscribe to this channel and leave a like, you should learn it faster. Lol. So that's it for your tutorial. If this helped you out, don't forget to comment down, subscribe, like, share and do all those things. And that's it for today. Namaste.